In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access advanced features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher next to it to activate it. Now scroll all the way down and click on one of those options to apply the best one to reduce display size with gesture or button. Wherever you decided, read all of those instructions below your chosen method, like double tap the home button and follow them. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To scale it, hold one of its corners and let go. To change placement of this little screen, tap on this icon on the left or on the right. Hold this line at the top and drag it. To go back to the standard mode, just click on blurry area, and to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!